Well, hello and welcome back. But if you are new, welcome too, because we are learning 25 new pieces in the month of December. So each day together, you and me, we are going to be learning a new winter holiday piece. So let's find out what piece we're going to be learning today. So for the 10th of December, let's see. Oh, we're going to be learning I Saw Three Ships. That is just a fun little piece. So before I continue, I would like to quickly introduce myself to you. I am Monte Monique, founder and creator of MoveOverMozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. So this little challenge is kind of like a little holiday gift from my family at MoveOverMozart to your family. Now, some of you might be thinking, wow, this is a major challenge, 25 new pieces in 25 days, but I guarantee you, whether you are a new beginner or a beginner with a little bit of experience, or maybe you're that person who just wants to refresh their memory and wants to be able to sit down and play the piano for their friends and family during the holidays. Now, there is a free download, so pause the video right here and download that free music because you can play along with me. Now, some of the pieces that we're learning may be familiar to you and some of them might be new to you, but I guarantee you they're all wonderful holiday pieces. Now, if you are keen to learn each of these pieces in a little bit more detail, I want to share with you briefly how we learn these pieces together. So first we play and practice our right hand, and then we practice our left hand, and then we play our hands together. And at any point in the lesson, should you have a comment or question, just let me know and I will get back to you. Now, because this is a bit of a challenge, remember there's only 25 days to learn 25 pieces. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because I promise you, you will not want to miss one of these little beautiful winter gems. And of course, subscribe because there's lots of tips and tricks for you all about music. You can also find me over at Instagram at #MoveOverMozart. So if you are ready to start making some wonderful holiday music, then let's begin. And now for an old English favorite, I Saw Three Ships.